Hi everyone! Last time on Mrs McDonnell's garden we learnt that plants are living things.
I know! Mind blown!
I made a wish to grow some seeds in my garden, and guess what? Today we will be using seeds in a fun science experiment to find out how seeds grow.
Okay, now that we know that plants are living things, I thought it might be fun to do a science experiment. But first I need you to help me make a prediction. Ooh, that's a big word. Prediction. Wonder what a prediction is. So it's a very big word that we use in science when we talk about making a guess. So, we're going to do a science experiment, planting some seeds and putting them into different spots, and I need you to help me to make a guess about what you think will happen to the seeds. I wonder if they will grow or if they won't grow. These are the different spots that we're going to put our seeds to grow. We're going to put them in a dark place where there is water. And we're going to put them in a sunny place where there is water. We're going to put them in a dark place and they'll be all dry and won't have any water. And then we're going to put them in a sunny place where it is all dry and there is no water. So the first thing we need to do is plant our seeds. Let's get started. We need 4 plastic cups. 1, 2, 3, and 4. For this experiment, we are using cotton wool. This will make it easy for us to see if the seeds are growing or not. Just break some of the cotton wool and put it into the bottom of the cup like that. Okay, so for this experiment we are using dwarf bean seeds. Now we have 4 cups, so I wonder how many seeds we will need. What do you think? Tell me now. 4. Yes, you're right. We need to get 4 seeds. We've got 4 cups, so we need 4 seeds. Let's put 1 in each cup and count them as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now that we have our seeds in our 4 cups ready to go, we are going to use this chart to help us make our predictions. So what do you think will happen to the seed that goes into the dark place but it still has water? Tell me now, what do you think? Yeah, I don't think it's going to grow either. So let's just throw a tiny dot here to help us remember that that one's not going to grow. I wonder about this, the sun and the water, the seed that goes into the sun and the water. What do you think is going to happen? You don't think that will grow? Oh, okay. All right, we'll put a dot there too. For a seed in the pot that's not growing. What about the seed that's in the dark spot and it's all dry? What do you think will happen with that one? You think it's going to grow? Oh, okay. All right, well, I'll draw a dot for the seed. And I'm going to draw a little plant coming out. So we know that we think that that one's going to grow. What about the one down here with the sun and dry? Do you think it will grow? Don't plants need water to grow? Well, I'm going to make a prediction on that one, and I'm going to say that it won't grow. So I'm just going to draw a little dot for a seed there that's not growing. Now that our chart is complete, we need to go and find 4 spots around the house and around the garden so that we can do our experiment and see what will happen when we put our seeds in these spots. So we need to find a place that's dark with water, a place that's sunny with water, a place that's dark with dry with no water, and a place that's sunny and dry. So let's go take our 4 little seeds and find these spots. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's go. just for fun, I'm going to put this plant in the cupboard too. Okay, so our dark spot is going to be inside this cupboard. That's a nice dark spot. Good night, plant. Good night, seeds. Okay, I hope you liked today's episode of Mrs McDonnell's Garden. Next time we'll check on those tiny seeds and see what's happening inside the cupboard and what's happening in the sun and what's happening with the ones who have water and what's happening with the ones who are dry. And I wonder what's going to happen with that little plant we put in the cupboard. That's going to be very interesting to find out about that. Bye!
On the next episode of Mrs McDonnell's Garden, we will find out what happened to the seeds and that poor plant. Silly Mrs McDonnell, plants don't belong in cupboards.